So I think this bird is absolutely handicapped because he purposely, like all day since 7 o'clock this morning when I was getting up for school, it's just been sitting there like running and flying into the window time after time, and it doesn't even matter. It doesn't even care that I'm here. And my mom went under it and tried to scare it away, but things are so retarded. We'll see if he does it. Oh, ready?
I'm telling you before God.
I swear it's gonna happen. Like, it's been sitting there jumping into the window each time. It's retarded. I swear, it's mentally handicapped.
Prosecutors have enough to make a case against you. Coming up,
She sits there
the final piece of the
and
puzzle lies in the ashes of the Ace home.
Do you think
jumps
Jim
into the window.
was capable of murdering his wife and then setting a fire to cover it up?
Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's been doing that since 7 o'clock this morning.
One by one, the clues are collected.
It's retarded.